Okay. Okay, don't get in the middle. Okay, second one. Oh! Hi! What was I doing? Oh, yeah. How are you guys? It's been a while since the last video. I'm gonna get my chair. Stay recording. Okay? My recorder. Just stay recording. Keep there. I don't know why I had to do a nail. So, it's been a while. Over a year since the last video. So I'm gonna make up for it by making a new video. Don't do domino. How dare you? Okay. By making up a new video. It might have took me 1 month to gather these stuff and waiting for 6 days. No, not 6 days. Also 1 month for my camera woman, actually, not my cameraman. 2, and obviously that's my mom. 2, to let me make a new video. I don't know why I'm making a tower. Where's the other? Oh, there's the other book. So we have Wild Robot 1.1 billion. And we have Wild Robot 2. I'm going to put them here. I'm going to show you them. And 3, that's old. And this, I guess it's called Color Smash, no idea. I'm just stacking them over next to me. This Adopt Me egg. Don't you dare pause it. I see your hand trying to pause it. Don't you dare. Okay. World's smallest knife. Still more dangerous than a cooking knife. I'm going to try to put it in the egg. Get on the egg. Whatever. And this, as usual, my little fella, green eye, hat, shoe, woman, chicken. And we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, N, T, U, V, N, W, X, N, Y, and Z. So I am really excited. We're starting with Adopt Me. Hey, don't drag that. I'm gonna try to crack it like a food egg. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna use my giant scissors. They're not giant, but they're giant to me. I'm gonna use my hands. How do we even start the open? I might need help. After all of that, not very hard work, and I totally didn't get bothered of how long it took, and then I was really excited for the video. I don't know why I did that noise. I'm not gonna do that again. Sorry, guys. Do you guys hear me? Am I too quiet? Or is this too loud? Okay, I don't like the punching. Am I bothering you? Like the cameraman and you guys. Am I bothering anybody? Why does this look like a Score Knox? That Pokemon. Whatever. Get this out of here. I don't care about it. Let me drink some hydrant. Don't forget to hydrate. After that giant drink, let's open another piece of the egg. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is hard. Oh, I see the Adopt Me logo again. It's a Kinder Egg. Just kidding. Oh, that was easy. If you didn't expect it, it was a plush. What on earth is this? I think they'll tell me what it is. Whoa, wait. What is this? Okay, in the comments below, I'll show you in a second. Just calm down, kitty. I want to show you guys this. In the comments below, tell me what on earth this is. And what it's for. It looks like a tiny credit card that's so adorable. We got a kitten. We're meant to get a golden unicorn at best. Bad luck. And it looks worse than hell. It's so cursed. Let's see. Cat, chat, gato. What does that mean? Oh, there's a rock. I wish I got the rock. Why is there a Bigfoot in it? Okay, I'm cursed. I am gonna have nightmares this night, and you guys will also, because of this chart. So yeah, we're done with that. A lot. That took like half of the video or something. I don't know how long this video will take. But it took so much of my time just to open this and find out what on earth this all is. Why did I jump backward? Why are you not closing? Just close already. No, not that way. Okay, yeah, it's mad at me. The cat's mad. Oh, I thought that I looked locked. Okay, whatever. What should we start with next? Yeah. I'll show you guys. Boo bada boo bada boo bada boo bada boo bada boo bada. Boo bada boo bada boo bada boo bada boo bada boo bada. I don't know why I did that noise. Time for the giant scissors. Well, that's hard to open. I'm just gonna rip it. Yeah, with my tiny hands. They might be tiny, but don't underestimate the tiny hands. Oh, wait, is it gonna be Nemo? I guessed it. I mean, no, it's Dory. Is it Dory and Nemo? I don't know. I think it's Dory. Oh. Okay. I guess I'll just put it over here with the cat. Don't eat him. He's not eating me all. Okay. We're not starting or ending. The next thing is mini knife. You see this thing in the pack? I'm gonna use this box to prove how dangerous it is. Just give me some time to cook. I'm cutting it down. I just made a hole through it. Done. 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 Yeah, now you guys know how dangerous it is, yeah. Sadly, I did need to take out these two for the next video, but it's because they would take probably as much time as all of these would. So yeah, we're almost at the end of the video. Next we have bookmark. Wait, what does this say in the back? Twist to remove. Yes, I may do. Wait, which way? This way. Or is it this one? Oh, it's this one. This is stuck. Alright, now I feel less. Okay, I'm gonna hold this down. I don't know why I want to show you guys me pulling out a screw. Now my camera woman is getting mad at me, but it's just because she's tired. By the way, it's the middle of the night in Jordan, and we're in Jordan. But don't track us down. We don't want robbers. And if we do, I'm joking. Let me just open this door. Am I done? Oh, there we go. I kind of see it falling out. Can I take it out yet? Bro, this is like taking a month. When is it coming out? Come out already. Okay. Even my mom tried on me, don't understand. Because literally, both sides are drilled. If you take one side out, the other side's still in. But I'm gonna try. So annoying. You know what? I'm just gonna cut it off. Okay, my mom actually did figure it out, but just didn't tell me the exact instructions. We have bookmark. And obviously we have Jim Bob number 500. Jim Bob number 501. And book 3. Dun dun dun. Book 2. Dun dun dun. And special edition book 1. In the middle, it literally has pictures of the real movie. This picture. Let me get to the other one. This one. There's not many, so no one will have to wait. Just 2 more. No, 3 more. This one. This one. And this one. And there's this. Let me tell you what the tag says. The book that inspired the DreamWorks film. But before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe, or else. Wait, sorry. Wait, I made it lame. Wait, where's my night? Oh, there. Or else. I'm joking. Or else I'm joking. Bye.